Hi traders, you are listening to Mike Hamilton, and yesterday in the free video I talked about how this Dow had come down, but I wasn't looking for this to sell off because of this huge support down here, and the fact we got US GDP on Friday. I think they're just brought it down for positioning to potentially yank it up again. However, if we can't start winding our way up out of this apex into 18.5, if we end up bumping up against 18.3, then I would get short. And the idea, my strategy is to get, if I'm going to short, I want to get short as high as possible. I don't want to short on something that's got a trend line and been trending so strongly, such as this Dow, because we have got a bit of a funnel going on. It's a bit of a channel stroke funnel, but we start coming up against the trend line from here and here, and we can't break through it, then I will definitely short at this level. In the meantime, I think 18.5 is on the cards and a pullback is justified. So where does that leave us? If you are a UK trader, I would find a good bellwether stock, and one in the UK, one bellwether stock is something like this, the AA, and I would mark it up for support and resistance, and I would watch it very, very carefully. So what we've had here is a really nice move up here, just moving in waves, really, and then we get an impulsive wave up to the high, and it gets dragged down under a key 200 EMA level, and you get an impulsive wave back up to this resistance. So everybody takes profits and a lot of people forget about it. In the meantime, all the institutions are lapping up and buying up a dip here, potentially getting ready for at least a retest. Now, every time you hit a resistance level like this, it potentially gets weaker. So this could be 1, 2, 3. This could potentially be 3 and through. So 1, 2, 3, and through. So if that's the case, I would look for something like 450, but just be wary of the high level of resistance at this 435, I think it is, 428, 430. Okay, so I would look for 407, 408 tomorrow, and that's engulfed at least 2-3 days worth of price action off of this main support. So I think it's proved itself, and that is worth a shot. Were it to get going, let's put this fib on here. If it can break 430, then yeah, there you are. 450 is a fib level. Just note we are actually at a fib level here, but that's a good engulfing bar. I think that is a very nice chart pattern. I think it's a good bellwether stock in the UK, and in the premium video I'll look at a few others in the UK and the US, as well as a couple of premium looking forex pairs. Alright, I hope that helps. If you want to join us in the trading room and get access to the premium video, then drop me a line and we will happily give you a free trial. Thanks for listening and happy trading.